That's Mommy's purse, you know. What's in there? Oh, that's my checkbook. Oh, okay. What's that? Post-it note? Did you show Eric the picture of the bear? Why don't you give Ziggy a hug? Go give Ziggy a hug. Lisa? What's so interesting in my purse? What's in there? What is that? Go give Ziggy a hug. Oh, what are those? What do you do with those? Oh, okay. Brush? What do you do with a brush? Lucette, what do you do with a brush? You brush your hair? Oh. Oh, that's my work phone. Mommy's work phone. Oh. Bye-bye. And then what else do you have? Ooh, that's a big one. That's pretty heavy. That's pretty heavy. Oh, got that on film. What's that? Is that a granola bar? Oh, insurance card? Kind of a boring activity. Why don't you go hug Ziggy? Okay. Here. You gonna go hug Ziggy? Oh, here he comes. Look, look, give him a hug. Give him a hug. Oh. Uh-oh. Banging your head on the ground is not gonna work.